Hi guys, welcome to TJM. It's a really early Sunday morning, which TJM's not really fussed on early Sunday mornings. But we're off to another car show today, and we're going to take Adelaide, my 6-litre XJC. So we're going to go up and have a look at some beautiful motor cars. Not all Jaguars this time. There's going to be some new stuff there, so it's going to be a bit of fun. So join me with that. It was a full moon last night too. Anyway, hop in the car and get on our way. We're up the Central Coast, beautiful Killcare, and we're at the inaugural horseless carriage car show. First one, organised by some local members up here, and we're just going to have a walk around. There's only 2 Jaguars here, mine and lovely E-Type, but there's some really special cars, so let's just see what's happening. Another one just arriving. She's a bit of a beast. XYU. Hi guys, well I'm with Vin, and believe it or not, Vin is, how old are you, Vin? 10. He's the primary organiser of this car show.
Good, how are you?
Obviously, you love cars, mate. Is that right? And what gave you the idea to do a car show and get all these cars together like this? Because this is pretty fantastic.
My dad and me, my family love cars.
Yeah.
And we bought an old Bedford.
Yeah.
But it's not down here. It's not registered. But it was on my birthday. We knew that there were a lot of nice cars around here. So
because there's a fair few nice cars here, and mate, this would take a little bit of organising. And I guess you got a little bit of help from Mum, did you? Yeah, and it was really good. So, what's your favourite car?
I like all of them.
Oh yeah, I know that. We all like all of them, mate. That's it.
No favourite.
But you haven't got a favourite yet? What about my lovely silver Jaguar up there? Do you like it?
Nice.
Well, mate, I think you've done a really, really good job, and this is going to continue, obviously, because there's a lot of enthusiasts here that love old cars.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate. Thanks.
Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome to the inaugural Woody Horseless Carriages Show put on by young Vin Gow, and his mum Nikki, and Dad Pete.
This is the one I like. I had one of these 30 years ago, did it up in the garage, unfortunately sold it again. Wish I still had it. Back in 1980, I think I had that. God, that goes back a long time. I love the 860. It was a really lovely bike, and this is a beautiful example.
Charlie. Oscar, Matt and Charlie are now going to grab the microphone and tell you all about this amazing vehicle. Who would like to do the mic? Just rest it on there. That's it. All right.
We worked on the, like, in the middle of lockdown project, so we wouldn't get bored. And we've started to quite a few things on it. We've gone on like 7 trips, I think.
Maybe half a dozen camping trips.
7 camping
It's doing so well. Yeah, we brought it as a lockdown project, three of us, and we had a lot of fun through lockdown. We basically designated each week of lockdown a different kind of thing. So what was the first week? It was the accessories week. And we changed a few things, the mirrors and the badges on the front, just sort of give it a bit of tidy up. And we got into the radio week, and we fitted new speakers into the back of it. Then we did electrics week, which I always love telling people that it wasn't a week that, it was closer to 2 weeks. But we put a house battery in, a power panel, a DC charger, inverter, all that sort of stuff. So the kids learned a lot about the electrics of the car. We did wheel week. We topped the wheels off, put some flappers on it, painted them, new hubcaps. And then we put these rad stripes down. But if anybody was in the area at the time, we ran a kids competition down at Wagstaff War.
And she looked at me and said, I lost my cherry on the back seat of one of those. Me, hancing back to my younger days, I like stereos, I like fast things, I like my car to look different than everybody else's. So when you line up an F360 against this one, they don't even compare even close.
I can't remember it, but
Can't give it a shot.
SFJ, FAFC, FB, KEJ, HSB, HR, HK,
HT,
HT,
HG, HQ,
HG,
J,
J,
X.
HX, WD.
Well done. See, I told you he was an impressive 10-year-old boy.
Now, can we have the Fords VIN, please, from the beginning?
No, forward. So thank you again, Vin. This is a 56 model. I bought it from a deceased estate out at Parks. And I went out with my tilt tray truck and I parked it up around the corner so that the lady didn't know I was all that keen on it. But this was, at the time, 40 years ago now, it was all I really wanted. It was a 56 FJU. And I've got it, and I put it out of the shed the other day and got it polished out. So it's a beautiful old car. I did my time working on Holden, so I know a little bit about them.
So it gets even funnier with the number plate. You might notice it's Morgan. Pretty lucky to have that. And wonderful car to drive, albeit with Morgan suspension. You'll find Dave Jelly's replica here, of course, of the MG has probably got a lot more comfortable suspension. They say in a Morgan, you run over a cigarette bumper, you can tell what brand it is.
Myself again. Hi, I'm Lee. This is a car with its steering wheel on the wrong side. Very interesting when you arrive at those automatic car park machines and have to climb across the seat and basically look like an idiot, which I'm good at. This car, interesting history. It was owned by a pilot in Texas, and he restored the car and then promptly stuck it in a hangar for 15 years or so, where it sat and accumulated a lot of dust and grime on the paint. And some friends of mine brought it into the country and saw me coming. Basically, they knew I was going to buy the car before it even landed, I think. And one of the more surprising days of my life is we just got onto the back panel here one day. We gave it a bit of a wash, got the polisher out, and polished up this part of this rear guard, and the paint just came up, and it was like winning the lottery because I thought, there's 20 grand saved, don't have to paint this car, terrific. It's turned out to be quite a good car. It's a very, very rust-free car, which with these is the secret.
to have a look at this beautiful, I'm going to say silver grey Jaguar, an amazing car. And we're going to talk to the owner of this car, and his name is?
Brett. Hey,
Brett,
Chris.
and Brett's going to tell us all about this vehicle.
This is a 1977 XJC V12 Coupe. Very rare motor cars, only like 9,000 were built in the world. I think only about 500 total examples came over to Australia, and probably only less than 150 of those were in V12 form. This one in particular has had a restoration, not done by me. It was done by a colleague of mine in Adelaide quite a few years back. The biggest deal about this car is the engine transformation. It now has a 6-litre V12 Jaguar motor in it from a 1994 Jaguar, which has totally transformed the car from being a mediocre V12 with a 3-speed. Now it's a totally rebuilt V12 6-litre that is very, very quick, and it's coupled to a GM 4-speed gearbox. And it is a lovely car to drive. It drives like a new car. As you can see from the interior, it was redone also. And these seats are from a late 90s XJS Jaguar, and they were recovered in the last of the Connolly leather in cherry. And the ambience and the interior inside it is just gorgeous. The car is in really, really lovely condition all around. It's rust-free. It can go anywhere. It's extremely reliable, and I enjoy it very much.
Well done. Great story on the Jaguar. Yeah, round of applause for that, ladies and gentlemen. That was a great effort by another owner. Fantastic. Lovely to hear about it. Sick story.
Fun little day. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I certainly did. Unfortunately, the rain came and it closed it down a little bit early, but everyone seemed to have a good time, and thanks for Vin and Nick and Pete for organising it. It was fun, and I'm looking forward to the next one. So if you did like the video, just give it the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, you can do that too. It really helps my channel. So catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.